Welcome to the CryptoNest. So I want to talk about, is it time to get into Bitcoin? All right, so my philosophy is every day, every week is time to get into Bitcoin. Bear market, I would say almost officially finished. There is still a chance of a drama and a big flush out, but since the price went and reach these almost 35k, yeah, the chance of still being a bear market and making another lower low, I would say it's 0.01%, still there, but pretty much unlikely. So, am I still waiting for a flush down? Honestly, now, well, for sure we'll need one eventually, because if I zoom out, so we did the wave 1, a wave 2, and this is a third wave. As you can see, very impulsive wave. And I did the fib extension. If that is right, okay, worst case scenario, we do a 1-to-1 ratio, wave 1 to wave 3. The price goes to 36,500. Pretty much good worst case scenario, if you ask me. Best case scenario, we continue pumping, because when I did the extension, wave 1 and wave 2, wave 3, it goes to 43,570, and fifth wave, we are talking about $55,000 of Bitcoin. So now, are we going to do that? Who knows? Where it's so far, and it's Bitcoin, and Bitcoin, it does whatever it wants, not what people want. So there you are. So now, first of all, are you a short-term investor, mid-term investor, long-term investor? Long-term investor, fine. Every time, anytime is a good time to invest in crypto. Okay, some weeks are better than others, but if you do dollar cost average every week, it's been proven in the last 13 years that if you do that, after 3-4 years, you're in profit. And not just 5% to 10%, it's way more than that. Okay, so now short term, well, for sure, short term, this honestly is start to be a good time, I would say, because let me zoom in now. Short term, I would say you need to hold a little bit. You remember that I was saying maybe we're doing something like this, and yeah, like that. After that, here we busted. So then I did put, I think it was like that though. Yeah, I think it was something like this. So I said, we're doing this side triangle. Let's see if it break out, and indeed it break out, but then you can see that it's not doing much. I was expecting an impulsive movement, where so it's not happening. So now I can just take this one and put it here, and you can see that it still works. And I did also tell you that it could be that when we did this movement here, yeah, that we could start to develop a bull flag here, or a side or downtrend side channeling. So this is also possible, but for the moment it really, if you look at the green trend here, it kind of start to work really bend on. So we're doing a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. So now I'm expecting a fifth wave touching or getting near this trend, and after that I'm expecting a skyrocket to the upside. If we don't hold here and we go lower, then no problem, because we still have this I would say kind of relevant trend here that I did copy from these 2 points, so it's relevant. And well, once again, if we fail also that, then we will see something. We need to scrunch the numbers and see what happened. But I did tell you, wouldn't be impossible. Let me zoom out a little bit more. If we go back and test this level, because we had some resistance here, and this was a pretty strong resistance, wouldn't be bad for Bitcoin. And if it does that, honestly, I'm going to get pretty decent amount of Bitcoin. all I can put in, it will go there. For sure, we don't go all in. We always keep some cash flow, you know, because if it drops, go below. You don't want to miss out on that deal. And that it's only if the deal ever happen. So now, for short term, what do? I would wait and see if we're indeed going a little bit lower, maybe touching this trend or almost, then it would be, you know, a decent entry point. And now if you're really short term and you don't want to invest for, you know, 2-3 months, then I would put a sell stop limit. Well, this it depends on you, if you want to put it somewhere below this third wave that we did, or, well, for sure, below the first wave here, it would invalidate this count. So that would be another thing, but need to be careful. It's going to invalidate the triangle, but not the downtrend, you know, channel here. So you need to be careful on what you do. So if we lose this level here, more likely we're going to go first here to check for this downtrend line, and after that we will see. Also at the same time, we're going to have the MA 50 helping us. And if I go on the daily, do we have any MA to help us? No, they're so low, right? So this is another indication that, you know, price eventually will have to go lower and catch up with the MA 200, because eventually it does, at least MA 50, and or, you know, even MA 100, it doesn't matter. Price always go and almost catch up with the MA. So this, I wouldn't say this is a perfect science, but pretty much. All right, so when it's time to invest in Bitcoin, it depends on your type of investment. Short term, I would wait. Scalping, I would wait. Midterm, well, you know, maybe yes, if we get out from this side consolidation. I just told you what would be, maybe, because I'm not financial advisor, what would be an entrance level possible, what would be the exit. I told you what are the possibilities, triangle on the side, or downtrend channeling, or bull flag kind of. So, and long term, you know, anytime it's a good time. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.